Michael Hassen is the president at Real Law APC. He was recently selected as Top Trial Lawyer of the Year for 2022 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, in recognition of his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal industry. With more than 35 years of professional experience practicing law, Mr. Hassen has certainly proven himself as accomplished, and he demonstrates expertise as a trial attorney. Over the entirety of his legal career, he has gained experience with class action lawsuits and matters involving antitrust securities, false advertising, unfair competition, cybersecurity, and data privacy. Mr. Hassen has considerable proficiency representing corporations such as financial institutions, retailers, and manufacturers. He has also represented limited liability companies, real estate developers, owners and managers, and many other business people. Before embarking on his legal career path, Mr. Hassen earned his Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from the University of California, Berkeley in 1983, and he received his Juris Doctorate in 1986. He graduated summa cum laude and Pi Beta Kappa. Mr. Hassen is admitted to the California Bar, the District of Columbia Bar, and the New York State Bar. His impressive repertoire includes working at the Circuit Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia and as a staff attorney at the California Supreme Court. This experience formed the foundation of his appellate court expertise. Mr. Hassen has had primary responsibility for preparing more than 100 appellate briefs, including briefs filed in various federal circuit courts of appeals and the U.S. Supreme Court. And he has argued before the California Supreme Court on 3 occasions and numerous times before the Ninth Circuit. Mr. Hassen's trial experience began when he worked as an associate at Sonnenschein Nath Rosenthal, which he joined in 1988. Following the San Francisco earthquake, Mr. Hassen relocated to Miller, Starr & Regalia, where he quickly became an equity partner and tried cases for 14 years. Mr. Hassen then transferred his skills to Jeffer Mangels Butler & Mitchell LLP, where he tried cases as an equity partner for 13 years before opening his own law firm in 2018. Mr. Hassen has represented retailers, financial institutions, telemarketing companies, debt collectors, and other in-class actions under state and federal labor laws, privacy laws, consumer protection laws, and debt collection practice laws, as well as under the federal ADA and Telephone Consumer Protection Act, TCPA laws. He also holds notable experience in prosecuting and defending business torts, such as misappropriation of trade secrets and raiding of corporate employees. And because about 25% of his practice involves representing plaintiffs in complex cases, he is able to analyze cases and plan a trial strategy based on an understanding of how each side would prepare the case. Mr. Hassen has been featured and recognized in publications and media for several class action lawsuits, noted by the National Law Journal, the Daily Journal, Law 360, and the Class Action Reporter. He writes a class action defense blog which contains more than 2,000 searchable pages and is often read and researched by the legal community. Throughout his illustrious career, Mr. Hassen has received many awards and accolades and has been featured in publications for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal industry. This year, he will be considered for a feature article in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, and was chosen as Top Trial Lawyer of the Year by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. This year, Mr. Hassen will be considered for the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award given by IAOTP. In past years, he has received the AV Preeminent Rating and the Martindale-Hubbell Peer Review. Looking back, Mr. Hassen attributes his success to a single-minded focus on the best interests of the client, which forms the impetus for his perseverance and his passion in every case. His clients praise his creative thinking and, though acknowledging that it is a cliche, his ability to think outside the box. For the future, Mr. Hassen plans to implement change to the legal field and will train future lawyers on how to best serve their clientele. For more information on Mr. Michael J. Hassen, please visit www.reallaw.us.